Hey, and welcome to Unbox Burrito. I'm going to be showing you the Magic School Bus Complete Series DVD box set. You can see in the front there's a 3D lenticular showing you all the characters and a few forms of the bus. There are 8 single DVD boxes. I'm showing you the top and bottom here. And on the back it says there are 52 episodes on 8 DVD discs. There is also a 24-page activity booklet included. I'll be going through the activity booklet at the end of the video. So the first disc has Miss Frizzle on the front. It has episodes about the solar system, digestion, germs, the food chain, habitats, decomposition, and desert adaptation. Disc 2 has Keisha on the front. Episodes about sound, kitchen chemistry, forces, seeds, ants, weather, and volcanoes. Disc 3 has Phoebe. Episodes about body mechanics, dinosaurs, bats, butterflies, water, microbes, and engines. Disc 4 has Ralphie on the front. Episodes about flight, energy, space rocks, warm and cold-blooded animals, floating and sinking, honeybees, and heat. Disc 5 has Wanda on the cover. Topics are spiders, structures, light, archaeology, color, migration, and circulation. Disc 6 has Arnold on it. Topics are photosynthesis, rainforest ecology, water erosion, recycling, molecules, eggs, and tidal zones. Carlos is on Disc 7. Topics are air pressure, wetlands, cells, stars, gravity, smell, and electricity. And last but not least, we have Tim on Disc 8. Topics on Disc 8 are computers, critters, and coral reefs. So there you have the 8 discs. Languages include English and Spanish only, vocally. There are no subtitles. Now let's check out the activity booklet. Inside there's an advertisement advertising other Magic School Bus products such as books, games, and experiment packages. So the first few pages of the book talks about fossils and dinosaurs, and they give you an experiment where you can dig out mini fossils within a shoebox that you make yourself. Or you can separate color using water and oil in a glass. The next few pages are a comic strip that you can color in that talks about fossils and dinosaurs and reptiles, as well as other topics just using dinosaurs as the example. There's a nice disc index that tells you each episode on each disc. There's also an episode description that tells you in more detail the topics covered in each episode. And there's also a topic index that alphabetizes all the topics and then shows you what disc that topic is located on. So there you have the unboxing of the Magic School Bus Complete Series, a show that came out in 1994. So the show's obviously square, not widescreen, and it's great learning for your kids. I'm going to end it off by showing you menu slides of each disc, showing you just an easy episode selection list. I'd love to know if you liked this video, so thumbs up and comment to let me know. Thanks for watching.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip. With a friend? No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you're seeing octopus in the neighborhood. Surfing on a sine wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at Joe and Teston. Take your second right past Mars on the Magic School Bus. Alligator nostril, climb on the Magic School Bus. Make a plane turn to on Magic School Bus. Rock the river of life on Magic School Bus. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your bones right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the Magic School Bus. Step inside, it's so wild.